Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 9 trades. Today's date is May the 30th, and I'm using my new Master Scalper trading system. This one has the Master Scalper, that's this blue and red moving average. It's not exactly a moving average, it's a custom moving average. And of course, I have the arrows here. They're called the super signal indicator. You'll get an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see here suggesting to buy or sell. Every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer. I'm trading the continuation of the London session moving into the New York session. So I look at all the different instruments, and of course I take a look at my daily trade plan. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time. It's 9:15 a.m. New York time, and I'm finished trading for the day. So this daily trade plan analyzes from the monthly time frame right down to the 30 minutes. It does a bunch of calculations. It is preset for day trading. You can change the settings if you're a swing trader or a position trader. But I have it set day trading because I like to trade, get in, get out, few hours, and be done trading for the day. Now once it does all the calculations, it'll say in the comments here either look for bearish trades, look for bullish trades, and sometimes you'll get preferred. And if there's not enough strength, or it'll just be in white here. Like it will pick a direction. It could be within, 30 minutes. This could easily change. But anyhow, as my mentor told me many years ago, the reason why a lot of traders fail is that they do not have any kind of a daily trade plan. And I had plenty of trade plans, much more complicated than this one, much more difficult to use. Love this one because it's easy to use. Of course, once you learn how to read it properly. And of course, I check this out. Lets me know day trading can be, looking at the 4 hours, the daily, and just waiting for the charts to line up, set up to get into the trade. And the reason a lot of traders actually fail is because they don't even have a daily trade plan. So now you know one of your reasons why you are still struggling. You have to have some kind of a daily trade plan. If you have any questions on this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. So let's run a check on these trades I did. The first one at the top here, Euro Aussie. I put them all in, clicked on this tab here to put them all in nice neat order according to money-wise. Makes it easier for me instead of jumping all over the place. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal. I knew it was going to go down with 95% certainty. Could have waited for a bit of a pullback, but that didn't bother me as it only pulled back 4 pips, and looks like I locked in around 11, and those 11 pips paid out $79. Moving along to the next trade, which is the dollar CAD. Let's check this one out. Another one I wanted to be selling. Same situation as the Euro Aussie. Everything was looking good for going down. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at when I pulled the trigger. Another one qualifying for a great way to trade. So I took the trade at this cursor. Close it out here, just being happy with, again, looks like 11 pips paying out $80. And another tool I recommend you get your hands on it. And all of this stuff I'm talking about is in more detail right below this video. So it's a FibMaster tool. You would just click here. You would go from the high to the low, swing pivot low, and then any kind of a pullback. Now, I was busy earlier talking to a trader, so I actually missed, should have got in at one of these entries, and this is where I saw it. But I'm not looking for a lot. If you do 5, 10, 15 trades at a time, 10 or 20 or 30 pips and ticks, easy to see how you can get 200 or more pips or ticks. And if it hits one of the entries, it'll hit target 2, 3, 4, or 5. So that's just and if you have any questions or you're interested in getting your hands on this fib tool, it's a full course, complete, over 3 gigabytes and 30 training videos. This fib tool works with any system that you have, and all my systems, everything I have only works on the MT4 platform. So, moving right along to the next example, euro dollar. Here we go. Bought this one. Looking at the money, since it pays $10 for each pip, easy to see it's 9 pips. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Here we go. Let's take a look at this. Got in at this cursor, and what did I say? 9. Up to there should be 9, and there it is right there. 9 pips, paying out $90. Moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. Let's run a check on this one. So on this S&P 500, pays $5 for each tick. So I took the money, divided by 5. It says it should be a 25 ticks. So small move from this. That's exactly where I got in. Got the arrow, daily trade plan. Got in here and I closed it out here. I knew even with this pullback, I knew that it'll continue to go up. But I just look at the totals, and when I know I have 200 or more pips or ticks, I just shut everything down and can do whatever I want for the rest of the day. 20, what do they say, 25, there it is right there, 25 ticks, paying out $125. Moving right along to the pound Aussie, my next trade. Let's drag and drop this up. Wanted to be selling it from the daily trade plan. Love the daily trade plan. Super signal, another indicator I love using. Here we go. Took the trade at this cursor. Another one qualified for a great way to trade. I'll probably call this video a great way to trade. Even most of the trades, everything lining up perfect right from this point right here. Great way to trade. Anyhow, got in here and closed it out at this cursor. Looks like I locked in 18 pips, paying out $126. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound yen. Of all the pound pairs, this one is my most favorite. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Wanted to be selling it. Daily trade plan. There's your arrow, another arrow. The scalper's red. And when I pulled the trigger, it actually did qualify for a great way to trade. So pulled the trigger here, and I closed it out here, just being happy with, looks like 22 pips, and that paid out $146. Moving on to the NASDAQ. Of all the futures, the indexes, this one is my favorite. Here's the NASDAQ. Let's drag and drop this up. First of all, see where I got in at. So on this NASDAQ, as it pays $20 for each tick, I took the money, divided by 20, and the calculator says it's approximately 13. So from this cursor right here to here should be 13. There it is right there. Glad I closed out because we'll be almost at break even right now. 13 pips ended up paying out $268. Okay, moving on to gold. Let's go and find some gold here. Okay, here we go. On this gold, let's drag and drop this up. Gold pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, well, easy to see this should be 30 ticks. I can actually show you the fib tool again. You would just click on here. It's the swing low to swing high. Came back, hit the entry points, and usually it'll make it at least to target 2, 3, 4, or 5, which is way at the top here. And as you can clearly see, it's still going. It can easily go up and up more. You got to be a little bit careful though, because it already hit the ADR. That's this thick red line. So what did I say on this gold? The 30, it should be 30. So I should have waited a little bit more, but didn't bother me. 30 ticks, I'm happy with that. And there it is right there, 30 ticks. If I was in the trade right now, I'd be up 70. But I was happy with those 30, paying out $300. And if you have any questions with this FibMaster tool, well, just get in contact with me. And there's a lot more information right below this video. Plus, I give a lot of valuable information. I have traders asking me, how do you succeed at trading? Well, I explain that below this video. They also ask me what's the difference from one system to another. I also explain that. Basically, I'm just changing indicator on the top and an indicator on the bottom, and that changes the system and the trading rules. And every time I do another system, each new system is a little bit better than the one before. And for that particular reason, you have to keep getting your hands on more education, which only comes one way, in packages of systems. So now that is the secret to finding success. Education and systems, as my mentor said, keep by education and systems until the light bulb shines nice and bright. Last trade I did, Russell. Russell pays $10 for each tick, so let's drag and drop this up. And of course, let's see, looking at the money, since it pays $10, easy to see this should be 97. So everything, another one that qualified for a great way to trade. Everything looking perfect, top and bottom. I knew it was going to go. I just needed the there was some news at 8:30 this morning. That's why I love my master scalper. One of the main reasons is I know before news comes out which way it's going to go. Usually 95% of the time. There's the odd time it'll go against me, but that's when you have to have trade management in order and money management in order. But 95% of the time, I know which way it's going to go. Here we go. As I said, it should be 97. Got out at this cursor with should be 97. There it is right there, 97 ticks, paying out $970. So another great day of trading using my master scalper. I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and or ticks. Well, it is. Came to 236, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,185. So if your system's not producing like my magic scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan and the fib tool. So now if you have any questions, quite simple. All you got to do is get in contact with me. And to do that, all you got to do is look right below this video, and you'll get my contact information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. If I'm not busy, I'll answer. And if not, I'll just return your call. So, like I said, you can call me or you can just send me an email. Now, I really do prefer Skype, so I made a link for you. Even if you think you don't have Skype, just click on the link. If you have a computer, cell phone, we'll have a connection on Skype, and at that point, I'll be able to answer your questions. Now, also in the description, you'll find 4 different packages. As I mentioned many times, you're going to need a lot of education, so I recommend you getting all 4 packages. I do have a special offer. If you buy any 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. So, well, just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.